This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals Express course. I'm on Lesson 9, Stick Art with Loops, Puzzle 11. Try changing, so I have a bunch of code here. If you don't have code, you need to go back and do the other parts of this lesson. Yours might be a bit different than mine, but if you have nothing here, you're going to need to go back. This is what mine does right now. Pretty proud of it. All right, so try changing the repeat loop to run a different number of times. So we could change how much our loop runs, right? How often, how many times are we going to make it draw? Okay, well, what if I do this, I don't know, 65? That's a whole lot. I need to go real fast. I can't really even tell because it's going to be the same spot every time, I guess. Okay. What if I do it 6 times? Oh yeah, that will be half a circle. Try changing how many times you spin. 6 degrees, 6 times. Okay, let's try that. Where are my degrees? 60 degrees. And then how many times? I have 6 times. Let's try. Oh, yeah. So now I'm only turning 6 times, but I'm turning more. Instead of 30 degrees, 60. And then if I turn 20, 18 times, that will make a full circle too, I think. But I'll be making more shapes because I'll be looping more time, so I'll be drawing the sticker more. That's really cool. This image uses a pirate ninja and a giraffe. They loop 18 times with 20-degree turns. Oh my gosh. Let's try a 8-degree turn. And 25 times. I don't know. Whoa. Oh, 25 wasn't even enough? It looks like a pinwheel. That's kind of fun. As you can see, like loops are very useful. You can do a lot with them. You can do a lot very quickly with just a few lines of code, right? So think about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines of code we wrote. And then with our loop, we didn't run them 5 times. We didn't run them 10 times. We ran them 55 times. So that means, right? So 9 times 55 is 495 lines of code. We wrote 9 lines here, and then we put it on loop that ran it 55 times. So that means we ran 9 lines of code 55 times, which is like running 495 lines of code. Loops are super powerful, and they can make cool stuff. All right, I'm going to continue on.